Did you know that Mornington has 5 beautiful beaches?
Well, stick around because in this video we take you for a tour on every single one of them.
On many Mornington beaches, dogs are generally prohibited from between 9 AM and 7 PM throughout the daylight saving period. Outside of these times, they should always be on a leash.
Mothers Beach offers easy access via the Yacht Club car park. This is a family-friendly beach with a picnic area, barbecue facilities and toilets. You can hire a boat or a paddleboard. Adjacent to the Mornington Yacht Club and its boat ramp and only a short walk to Main Street.
Shire Beach offers a small car park which is easy to access. There are toilet facilities here and many colourful beach boxes, and also a very fine view of the harbour.
Mills Beach is a favourite for families. Easy to access with lots of parking, although it does get busy during the holiday times. The Mornington Lifesaving Club is based here and operates a food and drink kiosk in the summer months. There are toilet and shower facilities and also electric barbecues. For families, this beach ticks all the boxes.
Royal Beach. There's no car park here, just street parking, and the beach is accessed by quite a steep path. There are no toilet facilities. For refreshment, opposite the beach are the Royal and Kirkpatrick hotels. However, the beach is dog friendly all year round and is a favourite with dog walkers.
Fisherman's Beach is very easy to access and has lots of parking. Equipped with a boat ramp, this is the busy little spot in summer. There are beach boxes here and also toilet facilities, as well as a bus stop. Just across the road you will find the Lilo Cafe.
Did you like our beaches? Tell us below in the comments which is your favourite.
And if you like what you see, then just click here to subscribe and click here to join us at our next location.
See you in the next one.